A great choice for 4C hair is a twist out. 4C hair is tightly coiled. Sometimes it even includes some zigzags, and a lot of times it can be a little difficult to define the curl pattern unless you're using a lot of product. Well, a twist out solves all that for you. So the best way to do a twist out is to start on freshly shampooed and conditioned hair. And while it is damp, you want to completely detangle. So you'll start off using a detangling brush similar to this one and or a wide tooth comb. And then you'll section out the parts, the lines where you're going to put your twist. And then you'll use a comb like this with smaller teeth, less gaps in between the teeth, to detangle all the way down the strand. That way, when you twist it, you'll have a nice defined twist. You're going to use a styling product like a mousse to help hold the style. The great thing about twist outs is you don't necessarily have to use a styling product like a mousse, but it does give you a longer style. When you're doing a twist out, you're basically manipulating the hydrogen bond. The hydrogen bond will hold a style in place as long as it's not wet again. So that brings me to my last point. In order to have a well-defined twist out, you have to wait until it's completely dry. So maybe plan to wear your twist for a couple of days and then take it down with some oil on your fingers to wear the twist out. Ta-da!